Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss how to develop HTTP MCP. So, last video we have discussed how to develop Studio HTTP Studio protocol. In this, we have changed the Studio protocol to HTTP protocol. So, what is HTTP protocol? HTTP protocol is used when you are developing a MCP which will be hosted on a server. So over here we have defined a package.json. In the package.json we have added few more libraries. So we have added express.js as a one library. Apart from that, we have added course policies. In our index.js, previously we have our Studio protocol. Now we have HTTP protocol. Apart from that, we have added Express as a server. Then we have added course and we have added crypto for random UUID generations. The remaining tool definitions is same, which we have discussed in the previous videos. Now the things get changed over here is we have defined a sessions ID with a streamable HTTP transport. Now we have used Express app and we have defined course policies. Apart from that, we have added one health APIs. Now main API is over here. So we have defined MCP handler. In the MCP handler, we have added a few logics to create MCP servers to handle the post request, sessions ID, and then few boilerplate code I have added. Now I have defined app.get post MCP and get MCP. So there is two method I have added. The remaining code will be stay as it is. Now let's compile the code. To compile the code, we have to first run clear out. Compile the code, we will clear it out the server. Now we will do sudo npm run build. Let's not run with the sudo npm run build. Now project has compiled. Now if I have checked the readme.md, then what is the next instructions? Now it says we have to run it. So how we can run it? Node index.js is a command, but we can run it with a different way also. Npm run start. Eventually npm run start will run this node this.index.js. Now it shows a two MCP server is there is two APIs running. Let's check the health of the APIs. Okay, it says MCP is running. Now let's check the second API. Pocket based MCP project manager and it shows the capabilities. Now how to test this APIs? So we can test with the MCP inspectors, but in this video I'm going to show one more ways to test this MCP. We are going to use Visual Studio for testing this MCP. So we are going to connect Visual Studio MCP. You have to open command palette. Then over here you have to write MCP add MCP add MCP server. Now over here we have HTTP server. So we are going to select HTTP. Now over here we have to define the HTTP MCP URL. We're going to add MCP URL over here. Now let's click on enter. Then it is asking me for the name. We will define PMS MCP. We will click. Then it is asking what is the scope of this MCP. We will say workspace only because we want this MCP to be accessible only on this workspace. Okay. Now it has created, oh, there is one spelling mistake. Okay. Now it has added my MCP server. Now how to test it? To test it, we have to open chat window. And we have to click on this chat to open a new chat window. Now let's say show me all the tasks. PMS MCP show me all tasks. Now it is going to load my MCPs and it is going to show me the task. You can host this MCP on your server and you can use it. So in this example also we have not covered the auth. In the next modules we are going, the next video we are going to cover how to use MCP with auth. Now the Pro Tool is running, it's taking longer time. Okay, so it is asking me for permissions. So let me allow it. Okay, perfect. So it has listed me that my task over here. That's it for this video. In next video, we are going to discuss how to use auth with MCP.